And good morning, folks. Aaron here at Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon, located right off of Crater Lake Highway. So if you're ever cruising on through town, please feel free to stop by, check out the inventory, and see what we have. Today, I'm wanting to bring you the 2018 Leisure Travel. This is the 24 TV twin bed edition. It's built on the Mercedes chassis. Got ladder to get up on the roof, fully towable setup in the back here for you. Nice storage compartment in the back. You got the storages down below here as well. Beautiful awning that comes out here for you. LED light strip on that to light up your whole camping area. This is a Canadian built product, so you got a premium built product here for you. And the company's got a really great culture, keeping people with the company for 20, 30 years. So you're getting consistent work from all these people with their hand-stitched leather in here. You got all your amenities from 2018 up front in your Mercedes. This nice ultra leather's everywhere here for you. Padded walls, padded ceilings for you. This thing is amazing. You got the real hardwood in here. It's got the nice light tone for you. Really makes things pop. Lots of storage. This is all padded for you too, so reduced road noise. Lots of countertop space here for you. Nice deep basin sink. Solid state countertops. And tons of storage underneath. 2-burner stove for you. You also have a pull-out TV. So if you want to see it, you can. If you don't, put it away, lock her away. Pull-out drawer. They're really using every space in this unit to help you out getting down the road. Giant refrigerator, freezer here. Boom. Boom. Convection microwave. We're still cooking a chicken in here if we want to. Reheating your coffee, making some popcorn. All right, here we go. This is the setup, the twin bed setup. Everybody's looking for this right now. This is great. It's easy to get in and out of. You can make it into a big bed by creating or filling in this space here with your fold out and these cushions. Check out the bathroom. Look at this shower. Huge shower stall for you. I love this because it actually separates this 2 spaces off for you. So now we have a dedicated bedroom, which is great. And then when you're up here, you have a dedicated living room space. So 2 people can split up. One's a early riser. They can get up, make coffee, not disturb the other person. And it's a split bathroom. You got your toilet over here. Lots of counter space, hanging racks, beautiful mirror to get ready in the morning. Got TV back here, tons of storage across the top. The accent lighting is beautiful in here. All your ACs are on the top of the roof, all ducted in, so it's a whisper quiet AC, super quiet for you. But if you want any more information on this unit or anything else we have here at Johnson RV, go ahead and reach out to me, Aaron, or somebody on the team. Have a great day.